skillful hands and steady grace, setting lines in their new place. Voices waiting to be heard, every thought, each whispered word, travel through the open air, finding hearts that need their care. Building bridges made of sound, paths where understanding's found, clearing static, mending breaks, strengthening the ties we make. Some connections need repair, some require another's care. Reaching out to make it right brings our worlds back into light. Threads of meaning woven tight carry truth from day to